Be out of memories, dude. That's why.
Oh, okay.
Go.
Okay, hi, I'm Brandon.
I'm Zong.
And we just got back from Dollar Tree from buying supplies for one of our youth events. We just got 4 packs of Yugioh cards and we're about to open this right now. And we have my music king in a bit. Okay, let's go.
It's time!
Okay, let's go. Hey, this is actually pretty good though.
Show me the cards.
Okay, so I got these cards.
Oh, nice Pappy.
Dude,
Look how happy Sean is now. Look how happy Sean is now.
Oh, dang it. Morphine jar number 2.
Whoa, Morphine jar number 2. I haven't seen those cards.
Really haven't?
Those are Metal Raiders cards, dude.
I think they are, yeah. But these are less common.
Hammer Shark. Dang, heck of good. Morphin Jar 2.
Yeah, Morphine jar.
Lizard.
Okay, guys. This is just for fun, guys. Okay. Brandon, you want to battle?
Let's go back inside. I need another one.
Okay, that's it, guys.
You want to battle me?
Okay, guys. Say Husa on 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Husa!
Yugioh.
Husa.
This is